All right, so welcome back, crew, and welcome back to another awesome video, guys. So, hey, today we will be doing a garage update. Yep, we haven't had one in a while. As far as actually, I shouldn't say a garage update. It's the 55 Pontiac update. So we're about to head over to my partner Count's house. And I tell you what, man, I went by the other day. I didn't record anything, but I just wanted to see the progress on this beast, man. And you guys are gonna be pretty impressed. I tell you, pretty impressed. This guy, I tell you what, man, he does awesome work. And I love the color of this Pontiac. I tell you, it's gonna be one of the nicest cars around in this area here in Bristol, Virginia, or Tennessee. That's for sure. But it's just amazing the transformation of where this car came from. You guys remember when we went and picked it up for 81, and actually he just had this past week he just had a big giant auction on Meckham's auction, McClure, where he got the 55 Pontiac from. So I don't know if you guys watch Meckham's auction, but basically that 55 Pontiac where we went and picked the car up, well, the gentleman that owned that car and all of the other cars, the one that actually we just saw, well, you guys saw probably at the beginning of these videos when we went and picked it up, I did like a, basically like, I guess it was like a car meet, but it was all his personal collection. It was McClure Automotives, but he actually used to race cars in NASCAR. And I hope that I'm not mumbling. So they just had a big Meckham's auction on TV with a lot of those cars that I showed you guys. I mean, you guys got first-hand footage of all of those vehicles before they was actually sold in auction. So I thought that was pretty freaking awesome, man. That is pretty fantastic. How many people get to go into someone private collection worth millions of dollars, and also on top of that, the ones that you recorded actually sold at Meckham's auction on TV. So I thought that was pretty freaking cool, man. So anyway, we're about to head over to, and so to make it, in other words, that's where Ron got this 55 Pontiac from, and you guys saw the shape that it was in. Terrible shape, guys, terrible shape. So anyway, we're about to pull up here in a couple of minutes. So I'm gonna turn you guys back on, and we're just gonna see where Counts is at. I'm not gonna tell you right now. Like I said, I know some of the stuff that he's done, but I'm pretty sure he's already done more than what I saw a few days ago. So sit back and relax and stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. I don't know if Counts is here or not. Let's go ahead and see what Counts is up to. Man, what's going on, Counts? You in here? He got his light on up in here. Let's see what he's doing. Let's see if we can find old Counts. That I'm not using. I don't use that. I put it on the back of the motor.
Well, I thought I don't know the choice goes from junk car still one off one of the motors up there.
Yeah. I said, yeah, that's true.
That's about all I can do. Go up there and get one off one of the motors if they got them on. Some of them don't always have them on.
So he put the new. I didn't film it when you put the new. I like how that glass is tinted, Counts. How it's just a slight smokiness to it, ain't it?
Yeah.
Oh, Elvis called me. I told him I had some gauges, and so I went. I told him I'm not sure because I was working in the garage, but I told him to go down and with that extra parts truck I have.
Yeah.
I said, well, let me go and check and stuff, and I went and checked, and I had both gauges still in there. I told him, I said, hey, buddy, if you want them, come and get them.
Are they any good? Did they look decent?
I'm be honest with him. I didn't even. It got full of parts in it, so I just know they're in there. I didn't even look at the faces, and that's what I told him.
I had one, but it's toasted, and I give it to him. The other one I throw away because it was probably shot.
He said he need a Speedo, so.
All he wants him for is look. He ain't gonna hook his gauges up.
Right, and I told him he could have them. So we got all that. He put all that chrome in there and the back window. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this car off of him. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put my life savings and go ahead and get this beast right here, man. Look at that. Yeah, I told him I'd go ahead and give him $5,000 for it. I know how much he got it for, so I give him about $2,000 over retail. I know. I'm waiting for a response.
I spent that in Carlisle.
Heck yeah, hell, you spent that on just a couple of tires and wheels.
I spent that in Carlisle on Goliath.
Shit, hell yeah, or just on chrome. All right, so what you guys think, man? Leave some comments down below. Got his computer up in there. Look at all that stuff he done polished up, man. We were just going over this computer module for DAKOTA Digital. Right there.
I think I gave the one in my little petite truck, I think I gave close to $300 already, I think. They in that book I gave you.
Yeah, look at it there. He just got his DAKOTA Digital harness and everything. That's what we put in our vehicles. And this is a new thing. You hook that up to your ODB port, and that right there runs your whole car as far as your sensors and everything. You don't have to put all your sensors in there. So anyway, you guys let me know what you guys think.
Yeah.
It's bad, man. Look at all that daggone chrome up in there. Alright, I'll turn you guys back on when we're about to leave. Alright, cut the seatbelt on. Alright guys, so we are about to leave on Counts. Got a mess over there, boy. We're about to leave on Counts now, and we're gonna go ahead and head to work, crew. Pay the bills. All right. So you're coming along with that 55 Pontiac. What you guys think, man? I tell you what, he's doing a heck of a job. That's for sure. I always tease him about, oh, I know how much you got it for. I'm gonna give you this and that. Heck, I wouldn't be. I was trying to get a response from him. He knew I was poking at him. But hey, I hope you guys like that Pontiac, man. It's came a long way, and you guys have been with me on the journey from the beginning. And you know, he probably has a few more months. I say another month, and he'll be completely finished with that vehicle. Of course, he has a lot to do. Well, no, he got a lot to do with the interior, but most of the interior is already done. You just got to put it in there. But he'll actually treat that rust on the inside. I think he uses Pour 15, something like that. And then he put that sound deadener and everything in it. So I tell you, it's gonna be a sweet looking vehicle, that's for sure, man. 55 Pontiac, guys. So anyway, I'm gonna let you guys get out of here. I just wanted to do a quick recap, this short video. You know, I gotta keep you guys updated on what's going on with the 55. A lot of you guys be asking me about the 55 old Counts got, so there you go, guys. So hopefully in another week or two, I'll give them some time to get some more parts done on it, and hopefully next time we see old Counts, maybe he'll have that motor started, and actually maybe we can get over there for the first start of that motor. That'll be awesome. So I'll talk to him about that. So anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out, and don't forget, hey, if you guys are new to the channel, you guys are watching Restos and Mods with CJ. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also cut your post notification bells on. So don't forget to cut your post notification bell on, so you guys will get the latest and greatest videos from me as soon as I release them. So like I tell everybody, guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, a truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.